Visual Studio Code unsaved files location. Does anyone know where Versus Code saves unsaved files on a Windows machine? I have found many discussions about this features, but they don't mention where the files are actually saved.
The Microsoft help file indicates that the settings are stored in the folder Windows, %appdata, %code /user/. For me this translated to. In this folder I located a backups folder. This folder contained the raw data for my document. This appears to be grouped by date stored as a Unix timestamp.
For Linux users they are found at /.config/code/backups.
For Visual Studio Code on macOS, these files are found at Insiders on macOS, OSS on macOS,
If you use Scoop on Windows to manage your portable SCODE installation, the backup path you're looking for is
Beyond the border now, please consider lighting as a siren.